I cannot see. It's my birthday. Then got a new car today. Because she's cute.
I thought it was your old one for a second.
I put something at the bottom of the bag. But paper. Cool.
Oh, that's cool. it's a pretty face.
Yes.
That is nice. Those are pretty.
Because you didn't have underwear on? Yeah. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that was really weird. But that's what was worth it.
I know.
Like
a day, a million people.
Editing some pictures for an Instagram post in my 24th year. No, I'm not 24, during my 27th year. It is Sunday. My favorite. I'm just putting away Christmas gifts. Ready for a closing I have tomorrow. Trying to get into some good routine, you know, in honor of being 27 now. I have a couple of cards I didn't yet open and open them right now. So let's open it together. Who's awesome? You're awesome. Old bitch, LOL. One of my sisters. Might cry. It's so nice. I missed the comment from one of my sisters. She says that I think. Bag. Suspect for himself. It's not. Happy birthday from the office I work at for putting up with us and not leaving. Email them and say thank you. I'm scared. Oh, we're supposed to go on a cruise together this week for my birthday. With COVID, it all got canceled. It's rescheduled for December. Get ready to sail. And she gave me $10. Tearing just because it's so nice. If you guys are watching this, thank you so much. I gotta take some stuff outside. You can come with me if you would like to. On my jacket, like 40 degrees. At a listing of my closing day. We did a pre-signing with the sellers. I'm doing what we'll call my lunch break. Come around the seatbelt with me. Oh, I am super excited. Let's go to that closing together. Monday evening. Welcome to my abode. Someone rang my doorbell. I've had my doorbell for a while and it's the first time someone's rang. I live in the upper unit of the duplex that I own. It is what it is. Fit check. I love leggings because I avoid wearing real pants at all costs. I've really been wanting to do an at-home workout. Stronger arms. Because sometimes I have a hard time lifting things and I hate asking for help. So I want stronger and a better booty. I just got a text from my mom. My mother. My favorite part of the day is putting on my sweatpants. I have a confession. I've put off doing the majority of my taxes for as long as I can. I really need to finish. Sorry, it's a video.
Stinky thing.
Hello. Just got done with a run outside. I wasn't wearing this big jacket. I put that is irrelevant. I also installed a lock outside that I was meaning to do. And now it is dinner time. This was the run fit. Oof. Feeling fly, feeling fresh, feeling strong, and now I am so hungry. So I really need to fix my nails because they look super scary. I bit them off. No, it's bad. It's a really bad habit I have. And my favorite snacks ever. Water chestnuts. Oh, I'm gonna fall on my counter. I really am. Wait for my dinner to cook. It'll be super fun. Rigatoni. Oh crap. I was a strange child. Elderberry gummies. I really like that. B12. I'm vegetarian, mostly vegan by choice. That sounds really weird, like I'm forced to do things. I'm not, but if I ever go out to restaurants, sometimes I try not to be super restrictive with some of my past stuff. Okay, I'm getting off topic. B12. Elderberry. B12. Vegan DHA. I don't take it every single day. Wednesday. I'm en route to office right now. Funny because I live between my real estate office and my parents' house and like directly across from my business management office. I was looking for a place to live A year ago, I would have never thought that I would be able to purchase a house. I was going through a breakup. My heart felt like it was poured out. Call it manifestation, call it working hard, call it what you want. I was like, I really want to play between all of these centralized locations I go. What do you know? Like 6 months later, I'm on my lunch. I am going to the bank to deposit the check from the closing I had this week. I am home from work, almost sick, and I am just having all sorts of stuff. I'm in real estate, at my regular job. Dinner has been had. Haven't taken off my jacket yet. Did my nails. I mean, it's not perfect. A lot better than like the little stubbies that they used to be, so, you know. Freaking love this song. Get ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you my other favorite song right now. It's an oldie, but a great goodie. Super goodie. Get ready for it. Filmed a YouTube video. Not that confident about it. I'm hoping it turned out, and I'm hoping it makes for a good video. I'm gonna clean up a few things, get ready for bed. We have a busy, fun day planned for tomorrow. See you then. Happy Thursday! Heading into the office. I'm just showing for myself what I'm gonna do on my lunch break. Looking to buy a second rental property. I'm super excited. And holy cow, there's a bunch of seagulls. My grandma helps out at the office I work at. Very much family owned and operated. She's here today. Super excited to see her. She's goofy and we have a lot of fun together. Today's gonna be a good day. I'm on my lunch break. I'm gonna go look at a property. I'm doing something incredibly risky right now, and it's unwise. You guys, finished my showing. After my showing, I made myself lunch, and now I'm going back to my office. All right, I am done with work. I'm gonna run home and change quick. Going out to dinner tonight. Sushi, which is pretty much my favorite food. That was a car my mom drives, and I thought it might be my mom, but it wasn't my mom. Almost waved. We are getting these things called lake flies in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. People probably wouldn't believe how many there gets to be. Family has had to like take shovels to get them. Thought I just had. Just thinking of weird things that people might shovel. Back in college when I was a bartender, I bartended in La Crosse where I went to school. There used to be this thing called pre-COVID Oktoberfest. People got freaking crazy. At the end of bartending on Oktoberfest weekend, you would have to take a shovel and get all of the plastic cups out. And it's crazy to think of like how different life was. Oh yeah, the dinner outfit, and I touched out my makeup a little bit to be a little bit fresher. Gonna head to dinner here pretty quickly. So asymmetrical. The other one. Why does this side look so much different? I had so much fun. I'm driving home right now. I just dropped off my little brother at his house. It's getting dark out. I'm about to go home. It is official. I'm one of the least photogenic people I know. What are these? In other news, we celebrated my grandma's birthday, had sushi, all around great time. Going to post my TikTok for today. And I'm still working on my taxes. Favorite chair. What time is it? Wet pants time. Love nothing more than being comfortable and alone. Genuinely really enjoy my own company. Don't enjoy not knowing how to properly keep plants alive. How do I do this? I'm not ready for motherhood. You are a succulent caretaker. Tell me your secret. Beg of you. I have like 3 lines out in my kitchen right now. Not that I don't know how to change them. It's that I'm struggling to find the time to do so. I got this plant and I am very afraid I'm going to accidentally kill it. I'm not gonna say that. I should not disclose things like that about myself online. Ooh. I have this particular aversion to putting on my clothes. One of my least favorite things to do, but we're not gonna talk like that. I'm gonna remind myself how good it feels. My clothes are put away. Clothes everywhere, as though I am a teen girl. Almost 30, I gotta get it together. You ever just... When I used to try and dance on TikTok, don't ever go back and watch those videos or I will get second-hand embarrassment. If I've ever said sushi filled me up, I was lying or forgetting. It's now Thursday night and I'm eating cold canned corn. Good morning! Hello everyone. Right out, just cannot see. One of my contacts is missed. We have one staff member out of the office today. It's always a little bit busier because we're a small office when one person's gone. It's gonna be a great day. It is a good Friday. I just went back to the property to just see it a second time. I'm heading back to the office. I'm tired. I stayed up too late last night. But here we are. Beautiful day outside. Beautiful. Wind in my hair. Speak the words on your lips. I'm getting ready to leave my office. Sitting here crying to do the hardest thing about posting an Instagram. Come up with a caption. Text my brother sometimes because he's pretty good at that. He'll throw something out. I'll throw something out. You get some really weird caption ideas, but it's the funniest thing. Done with work. It's a good day. And the lake looks so pretty. So peaceful. About to get crazy. No, it's not crazy even a little bit. We're about to go home and make dinner. Oh, the sun. I hear people outside yelling. Shut my window. See, the vibes have gotten uncomfortable. FaceTimed with no, I did not FaceTime. It was just a normal call. I don't know why I said FaceTime. That was weird. Call with my mom. Just kind of caught up. She's also the vice president of the business I work at. I don't know if I'm supposed to say this on the interweb. What is this? When did I get this? Whoa there. Did this just happen? Is this a 27-year-old thing? I accidentally shaved off part of my eyebrow. I want to talk about it. Good morning! I'm trying out my espresso machine for the first time. Here it is in all of its glory. It is Saturday. Saturday and Sunday are like my favorite times to just buckle down and get work done. I've gotten my life a lot more together than it's been in the past. I get it even more together. Pre-COVID, I'd like to go out and stuff. I've just really lost any desire to do that. Favorite thing is to be productive. Rest in peace to this eyebrow. I was trying to like get under the eyebrow because I had some extra hairs. My hand slipped. Do you guys ever get overwhelmed by the amount of virtual data you have? Because I have a hard time keeping organized. Sometimes I get overwhelmed by that. I'm working on the last of my taxes. Look really goofy with one arm up. I'm going to get myself together. It's 80 degrees. Before I started making more educational niche content, just did whatever I wanted. A lot of transitions. It was really hard to maintain. If I wasn't feeling particularly witty or cute that day, like I didn't have anything to talk about. I really like now being able to like actually talk about things, but sometimes I miss doing the color thirst traps or just like transitions. So I think I'm gonna do that on this alt account. I have some actual content to film today. Started filming a bunch of content. I'm hoping it turned out pretty good. Now we're gonna make myself dinner. If only dishes did themselves. The real question of the day is, can my lawn go another week without me mowing? What is adult policy? What is adulting procedure? How long can I let my lawn get before I mow? I feel like I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push the limits. Its hair wants to grow. That was just weird. Ripped now, R.I.P. that. At first, I was like, it's a joke, bro. I don't think it's a joke anymore. Getting ripped now, R.I.P. that. I'm getting ripped now, R.I.P. that. I don't think it's a joke anymore. Just stop doing that. ever had a day that was so good? For no extreme reason at all. It wasn't any sort of special day. It was just a day that was so good. You would relive it 1,000 times if you could. Because I did today. Sometimes I think about that, how every one decision leads to a number of other decisions. That one decision impacted a lot of things, and that was deeper than I expected to get. Little balcony. It's pretty tiny. I haven't been on here in a while. One of the boards is coming off. Oh, it's so nice out. I hope this thing holds. I feel on top of the world. 8 o'clock and it's still nice. I did get a lot done that I was meaning to. So much I want to do in every day, you know? If I could tell my younger self, girlfriend, I promise you, 1 year, you're gonna feel a hell of a lot different. Why hasn't someone created where you can send messages to your past self person telling me that it was all gonna be okay? Well, I wouldn't have believed it, but I would have felt better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Going on most of the time. See you in the next one. Bye.